Gotta give ourselves grace, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm giving myself grace. I gotta show up. I got to show up. That's just what we gotta do. And I'm not when I wanna be. I'm not the best one. I don't follow instruction as I should. I am not the best, but I'm better than I was 6 months ago, definitely a year ago. Hello, let me put that window up. I am running late for boot camp. Boot camp is at 6. It's 6:02. Actually, I'm very mad at myself. I woke up actually at 4 something, but I stay in the bed scrolling, and then I just took too long to get ready. Like if I just woke up and get in business, I should have been in boot camp already. But I took my time, stay in the bed. They don't want to leave the bed, and now I am pretty much late because boot camp is at 6. It's 6:02. It's not too far from my house, so I guess I'm gonna get there probably around 6:10. Yeah, but I will take those few minutes instead of nothing, because I gotta show up. I got to show up. That's just what we gotta do. I mean, I know the bed is really warm in the morning. It's really nice. You wanna stay in bed. Yep, but we human. We gotta give ourselves grace. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm giving myself grace. Actually, honestly, I like driving in the morning so early. Since I work from home, I don't get out much. It reminds me when I used to go in the office. I love the early morning, before sunrise. I just like it. I like to be out there. It makes me feel productive. It was awesome. It was awesome. Now it's time for me to go for my morning walk. I'm planning to work. It's like 7. I will be walking to around 9 because I'm gonna start working. My shift is at 10. Tomorrow, Saturday, I'm doing a walk for diabetes, 5 miles. So I am gonna do at least 3 miles today to get prepared for that. I have been doing a lot of walking, but I'm gonna try to do at least 3 miles today. So yeah, I am not diabetic or pre-diabetic, but I take my health seriously. I'm on that wellness journey, and I wanna just support people going through that. Mostly in the Black community, diabetes is something. So, trying to support. Hopefully it's not gonna rain. It looks like it's about to rain. Hopefully it's not gonna rain. Hey girls. Yes, I have been doing the same. I have been walking, going to boot camp, eating healthier, waking up earlier, walking. Now, you have to see, when you're watching my video, you have to use context because I pronounce this word the same, walking and walking. So, you just have to look at the context. But yes, I have been doing both. And I have try to build consistency and discipline. Discipline is something all my life I had to struggle with, but I have been building discipline. And it's just a lifestyle change. It's choosing yourself, doing it scared, doing it when you don't want to really do it. Do it when you're tired. Just like we wake up, we eat breakfast, we shower, we brush our teeth. Same, we wake up, we shower, we brush our teeth, we go to the gym. We wake up, it just have to become a habit. It's building a system, building a habit. Nobody was born with, I guess, the ability to just do that. That's not what we grow up doing. But that's a system we have to build. We have to choose ourselves. To me now, that's an act of self-love. Well, I just finished boot camp, and I'm not where I want to be. I'm not the best one. I don't follow instruction as I should. I am not the best, but I'm better than I was 6 months ago, definitely a year ago. I am pushing myself to a limit I didn't even know I had. I'm proud. I'm proud of myself. It's always struggle when I wake up in the morning. It's always struggle at 5. Every day, 5 in the morning, I don't want to go. But I am here, so I'm proud. I build the consistency. And mostly I build the discipline. Discipline is something I always lacked. I always been a smart girl. I always get by because I could. I know how to do stuff. Bye. But I never really pushed myself. And I'm happy that now I'm pushing myself. I am doing it. I didn't quit. And that's what I'm gonna do with this YouTube channel. I've been quitting on this channel. I had it for years. Go, come back, stop, go, come back. But now I'm committed to finish this, to be consistent on YouTube. It's funny, when you become consistent, they said the way you do one thing is the way you do everything, and that's true. Since I start trying to be consistent with working out, I'm being consistent on other things too, without even knowing. And I want to move that consistency to YouTube. I want to show up. I want to be here. I want to share my journey, and I want to motivate other people. So if you don't have to be perfect. You don't have to know what you're doing. Just show up. So if you want to just start, follow this channel. Do it with me. We're not perfect. We don't know what we're doing most of the time, but we're doing it anyway. Sometime in boot camp, I'm like, I don't think I can do that when they start showing stuff. I don't have the perfect form. I don't really follow the instruction to the T. But I'm doing here. So when the instructor tell me, wow, Matthew, I'm proud of you, it makes me feel happy because I know I'm doing my best. I know I am pushing myself to my limit because myself a year ago will not do this. I will be in my bed. I will stay. I will find excuses. But now I have to do it for myself. I show up for myself. That's all we can do is show up and be consistent. And that's what I'm trying to do on this YouTube. I feel like I'm all over the place. I'm talking about YouTube because this is not a workout channel. It's a reinvention. It's putting yourself first. It's do it over, I will guess. So that's all I'm doing. So I follow me on this journey, and thank you for watching, and comment, and let's encourage each other. Let's do the best we can. That's all we can do. One step at a time. One work, one boot camp, one step at a time. one prayer, because there is no way you can do this without God. So one step at a time, one boot camp at a time, one healthy meal at a time, one prayer at a time. That's all we can do. Show up and put God first, because there's no way, no way we can do this by ourselves. We have to have God in it. Thank you for watching, and I see you next week. I'm trying to upload twice a week, on a Wednesday and a Friday. Don't hold me to it, but I'm gonna try to be consistent. Like I said, the way you do one thing is the way you do everything. And now I'm trying to do everything constantly. Be disciplined. And I think be disciplined on my workout journey make me disciplined on other things too. So see ya.